Hi everyone, my name is Courtney-Ann Wallace, your local realtor, and today we are featuring a beautiful rental in the community of Portridge Estate. I know you guys have been seeing a lot on YouTube about Portridge, and yes, I can confirm all of the units are sold out, but not to worry. If you are seeking a rental in the same community, I have one behind me right here. So I'm going to enlist the details on the screen below. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property with a laundry room, a front porch which I'm standing on right now, and the community boasts aesthetics. I'm talking a modern playground. The finishes in the property are amazing. I did a walkthrough before starting this video and I say, man, the bathrooms are so spacious, the living room is spacious, and at this point there's nothing left for me to say. We just need to jump straight into the tour. So go ahead and subscribe, click like, tell a friend to subscribe, and let's get started. So again, we're in Portridge Estate. Portridge has been the talk of the St. Catherine area for the last few months, and we're here at Unit 81 where we're going to be doing a detailed walkthrough of the property, looking at its features, looking at the size of the rooms and what it has to offer. Alright everyone, so stepping inside the property, we are immediately greeted with a spacious living room area. Now this living room is equipped with blinds on the windows and also meshed windows, which I think in this Caribbean environment is very good. As you will see, we have recessed lighting on the walls, and then the main wall is equipped with electrical sockets for your television. The primary bedroom is located to the front of the home, where it has 2 windows, additionally with blinds of course, and in my opinion it is super spacious. It contains an ensuite bathroom and also a walk-in closet, which we'll get to in a second. This bedroom I think can hold a decent bedroom set, about 3 pieces, and the bathroom is equipped with a Jack and Jill sink, which in layman terms means 2 sinks. The finishing on the doors and also the countertops are beautiful. If you've been watching this channel, you know I'm a dark cabinet girl. And then I also love the fact that the walk-in shower was equipped so that the water does not mess up your bathroom, which is a common problem that a lot of homeowners face. The walk-in closet is amazing. For a starter home, this closet is super spacious and there's adequate room for you and your partner, or if you're like me, you'd really just take the entire closet to yourself. Moving along, we're going to step back into the living room and view bathroom number 2, which is a guest bathroom but also serviced by the second bedroom as well. This bathroom is equipped with a single sink and a bath tub instead of a walk-in shower. However, the finishings on the inside are the same, which is a rain shower head. Very modern, very stylish. The frosted glass is also a nice touch, as well as the towel rack on the way out. Stepping out of the bathroom, we're going to go into the second bedroom, where I was pretty surprised by what I found. The closet was very uniquely designed. There are no real door handles on the front of this closet, but diagonal lines coming together to form a beautifully designed door. It is also equipped with side shelves in case you have any decorations or knickknacks that you'd want on display, maybe some awards or anything like that. The ceiling fan is also quite unique. The lighting in the kitchen I really loved. I believe these are called overhead lights, you can correct me in the comment section if you wish. But we're gonna be approaching my favorite part of the property, which is the kitchen, for more than one reason. The backdrop, the countertops, the double sinks, the extendable kitchen faucets, the soft close drawers and cabinets, which you'll see later on in the video, all come together to present a seamless kitchen layout. As you can see, it ties in with the back of the home, which would bring you to your backyard, but I just want to touch on the amount of cabinet and cupboard storage that is in this kitchen. My second favorite part of the house would be the laundry room. As I get older, I have been taking pride and joy in doing my laundry. And so for me, I don't know about you viewers, but a comfortable and easy flow laundry space is all I need. This laundry space has a farm sink, which is where the metal part of the sink overflows, which you're seeing at the front there. And then this laundry room is equipped with lots of drawers, also soft close. I like the fact that the developers at Portridge took some time out to make the laundry space separate, creating an overall homey experience. Additionally, from the inside of the property, the complex itself is equipped with an outdoor play area. I personally enjoyed visiting this development. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part, any questions you have, and if you're interested in renting this property, give me a call. Thank you for watching. Bye.